to my channel. This is Renee Martel, and I'm going to be doing a cut crease today using the Jaclyn and Morphe Bling Boss palette from her vault. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look. Thanks for tuning in. So I did my foundation, concealer, and powder off camera. I put some Mercier translucent powder just under my eyes in case there is any fallout. Today I'm going to be doing a cut crease using Morphe and Jaclyn Hill's Vault palette Bling Boss. So lots of purples, pinks, shimmers. The first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids. I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid, all the way up to my brow. The first shade I am going to be using is Hush Hush. So I'm going to put that all over except my lid. Because I'm doing a cut crease, I'm going to try and avoid the lid as much as I can because I'm going to cut that out again with concealer using JH30. Next I'm going in with Sparks, again just sticking to my crease, JH31. It's a little more pointed and put that product exactly where I need it, and just very little, like I'm tapping off the excess because I'd rather have too little and reapply than bam, it's too much. Raising my eyebrows so I can really get in. And then going in with a little bit of Mystic, a JH40. And just focusing this on the outer corners. And then going to take the JH30 again, big fluffy brush with no product on it. Just make sure all of it is well blended. Now I'm taking Morphe B10 and some MAC Pro Longwear in NW20. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to put it on both sides of this brush. And then I'm slowly going to begin cutting out. JH42, very small flat brush. I'm spraying it with a little bit of Fix Plus. And then for my crease, I am using Starlit powder by Makeup Forever in 13. Alright, while I'm waiting for that to kind of set, I am going to do my brows. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in Taupe. Just brushing away the translucent powder I put on and any fallout. And I'm actually going to take this. I'll make it blend better with my eyeliner. Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. Now for the lower lash line, so I'm going in with JH40 Hush Hush, which I used all over my top lid. It is really gonna make it blown out. Using the same brush, I'm then going to go in with Sparks and Mystic. Hi. Hi. They just moved cows right across the road to the field that's there, and he's losing his mind. He's just sitting at the window barking at the cows. I really want to take him over and show him they're not a threat, but at the same time it's across the main highway, so I feel like if I take him over he's gonna think fair game, let's go play with the friends, and I don't want him running across the highway. So no, you're delicate. You're delicate. You can't stand up to a car. Mom's doing her makeup. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Alright, sweet boy. Mom's gonna finish this. Alright, so using the JH43 Glitz and Glam, I am going to stamp this along my lower lash line. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of Fix Plus. Now for lashes. I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara first. This is MAC's Extended Play Gigablack Lash. Using the Boudoir lashes from House of Lashes and Sephora Lash Story. Velour lash adhesive in white. So I got my lashes on. I'm just going to touch up the eyeliner because the inner corners didn't quite line up with where I had eyeliner already because these bands are pretty stiff. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light medium. JH05. Do you see that? My lashes are lifted. These bands are too stiff. It's really frustrating, but not a big deal. Going in with my Morphe blush trio in blush. Going to use the Witty color here, JH04. And I'm going to be highlighting with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, Glow Getter, the JH09, JH38 to highlight the inner corners and brow bone. Lastly, lips. I'm going with Deceased by Jeffree Star. Might then put a pink gloss over top. I can't decide which gloss is going to look the best. I have 4 glosses, so I put 4 lines of Deceased, and I'm going to try each gloss on each one and see what happens. This one's Mimosa by Arbonne, Calla by Arbonne, the MAC Lip Gloss in Angel, Benefit Dandelion. I think I'm going to go with the Benefit Dandelion. Well guys, this is the finished look. Let me go get changed and I'll be right back. The last thing I'm going to do, just to set it so it lasts a little bit longer, all the way until I wash it off, which, since I'm not doing anything today, will be right after supper. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is the finished look for today. A nice simple cut crease using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button below. That would be greatly appreciated. I will be doing a challenge. I'm very passionate about mental health and speaking out about it. I've suffered with depression, anxiety, and OCD since I was born. My brain just doesn't make enough serotonin to keep everything functioning normally. I think it's something that the more people talk about it, the more people are open about it, the less stigma that surrounds it. So I will be doing a challenge, challenging you guys as well as other YouTubers and Instagram artists. In 2 minutes or less, you explain some of the troubles that you've had in your life, and then in 2 minutes or less, you're going to explain how you've overcome these or how you've learned from it. And it's just to promote self-awareness as well as getting people to talk. I just thought it'd be nice to, you know, keep the conversation going. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys. Okay, he pooped when I took him for a walk, too.